Welcome to FZ Architecture. In today's video, we'll explore the Pope-Leighey house, a stunning example of Frank Lloyd Wright's Usonian architecture. Designed in 1939 and built in 1940, this house represents Wright's vision of affordable, functional, and beautifully designed homes for the American middle class. In the late 1930s, journalist Loren Pope and his wife Charlotte were looking for a well-designed yet affordable home. Inspired by Wright's ideas, Pope wrote a passionate letter to the architect, who agreed to design their house. The Pope-Leighey house was originally built in Falls Church, Virginia, as part of Wright's Usonian movement, a series of homes designed to be cost-effective while still maintaining high-quality craftsmanship and organic integration with nature. The house follows Wright's signature L-shaped floor plan, which creates an intimate courtyard and seamlessly connects indoor and outdoor spaces. Spanning around 1,200 square feet, the home uses natural materials like brick, wood, and glass, reinforcing Wright's philosophy of organic architecture. Frank Lloyd Wright designed the Pope-Leighey house with a compact yet highly efficient L-shaped layout. This is a fundamental characteristic of his Usonian homes, allowing for a functional division between public and private spaces while integrating the house with the landscape. The longer wing of the L holds the living and dining areas, while the shorter wing contains the private quarters, including the bedrooms and bathroom. This layout achieves several key architectural goals. It creates an intimate outdoor courtyard, reinforcing Wright's philosophy of connecting interior spaces with nature. It provides a sense of separation between private and public spaces without needing doors or barriers. It maximizes natural ventilation by allowing breezes to flow through the house efficiently. The heart of the home is the open-plan living and dining space, which extends towards the exterior through floor-to-ceiling windows. Wright used glass and overhanging roofs strategically to bring in diffused daylight while minimizing heat gain, an early example of passive solar design. The fireplace, a signature element in Wright's homes, serves as the focal point of the living space. It anchors the house, both structurally and symbolically, representing warmth and family gathering. Since the Pope-Leighey house was designed for a middle-class family on a budget, Wright optimized space by incorporating built-in furniture. Some notable features include integrated seating along the walls to reduce the need for extra chairs, built-in bookshelves and storage units, seamlessly blending with the walls. This approach not only saved costs but also reinforced Wright's total design philosophy, where every element of the house serves a purpose and contributes to the overall aesthetic. One of its most striking elements is the clerestory windows with geometric patterns. These windows allow natural light to filter in while maintaining privacy and adding a unique decorative touch. Wright also designed built-in furniture that blends seamlessly with the house, emphasizing his belief in total design, where architecture, furniture, and nature work together as a unified whole. The private area of the house, located in the shorter wing of the L, consists of 2 bedrooms and a single bathroom. Despite its compact size, the design ensures cross-ventilation through carefully placed windows. A feeling of openness due to the use of clerestory windows, which allow natural light while maintaining privacy. Modular storage solutions, making the small space feel more expansive. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Pope-Leighey house is how it blends into its natural surroundings. Wright achieved this through extended roof eaves, which create shade and shelter, seamlessly linking the indoor and outdoor spaces. Use of local materials like wood and brick, ensuring the house feels like it belongs to its environment. A low horizontal profile, keeping the house visually connected to the landscape rather than dominating it. Wright was committed to using natural, locally sourced materials to create homes that felt organic and connected to their environment. In this house, we see a harmonious combination of wood, brick, and glass, reinforcing the idea that architecture should blend seamlessly with nature rather than dominate it. The horizontal wooden siding is one of the most striking features of the house. Wright designed it with board and batten construction, emphasizing long, uninterrupted horizontal lines that visually expand the space. This detail is essential to Wright's prairie-style influence, where horizontal emphasis was used to create a feeling of stability and connection to the land. The brick base provides a sense of grounding, anchoring the house to the site. Its reddish tones complement the surrounding landscape, further integrating the structure into its natural setting. The bricks are also used for the fireplace and structural walls, reinforcing a sense of solidity and warmth in the interior. One of Wright's key principles was bringing the outside in, and this house achieves it brilliantly through large windows and glass doors. The extensive use of clerestory windows allows natural light to filter in from above, creating a dynamic play of light and shadow throughout the day. The floor-to-ceiling glass panels in the living area dissolve the boundary between indoors and outdoors, offering uninterrupted views of the surrounding trees and landscape. Additionally, the overhanging roof eaves serve multiple purposes. They provide protection from rain, reduce solar heat gain, and further accentuate the horizontal lines of the design. This passive shading technique is an early example of sustainable architecture as it naturally regulates indoor temperatures without relying on mechanical systems. That's it for today's deep dive into Frank Lloyd Wright's Pope-Leighey house. This home is a perfect example of how great architecture can be, both beautiful and functional, affordable and innovative. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What do you think of Wright's Usonian vision? Do you believe this kind of architecture could still be relevant today? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I read and respond to as many as I can. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like the video. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most fascinating architecture. Share this video with friends, classmates, or anyone passionate about design. Thanks for watching FZ Architecture, and I'll see you in the next one.